That's what I'm talking about. Well, today should be a quick one. We just got a shipment in, and well, it's too good not to share. So let's hop on over, and I'll show you what just showed up. So what we've got here is a fresh shipment from Airkewld, and these are actually the wheels and tires for Curt's Bug. And I know we are a long ways away from actually needing these, but I went ahead and ordered them because there was quite a wait to get them. And well, they just showed up, and I just can't wait to see what they look like. So I'm going to go ahead and get this first box cut open here, and well, we'll show you what it is we ordered up. That's what I'm talking about. Come take a look at this. So what we have here is Airkewld's 17-inch wide 5 Smoothies, and we got them powder coated in their off-white. And when I ordered them up, I just went ahead and had them wrap them with the tires right away. They're just a set of Neogens, a pretty nice looking tire, and man. This is pretty slick. So we've got an aluminum center section here, and that is bolted to a steel hoop. Looking at the back side here, you can see that aluminum center section and where it's been bolted down. Looks like they're using ARP hardware, which is nice, so we don't have any worries about it breaking down on us. And you know, again, I know it's hard to see through the plastic here, but that's a pretty slick looking tire. I'm pretty stoked about this. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of these boxes opened up because we need to inspect each wheel, and one of the boxes has all the hubcap clips and screws in it, so I want to find that. And then, you know, I think I'll just pull one out of the bag and set it next to the car just to kind of, well, give us a little bit of a preview anyway. So just give me a minute here to get everything unboxed and checked in, and then I'll show you one sitting next to the car. Well, here's what Curt's Bug's rocking right now. These are just some old Pontiac Rally wheels, just painted all black. It's got the trim rings. It's a 14-inch wheel. Pretty small tire, and I mean, it works. Car gets around. It was okay, but Curt has said he really never liked the wheels even when he first got the car. So that's the before, and here's a rough idea of the after. You can see just how much larger these 17 inches are going to be, and you got to keep in mind right now the car is actually sitting at its highest position, simply because there's no weight in it, and it's fully raised up. So now if I slip this in place and we lay this thing out, I think it's gonna look pretty cool. You know what? I think what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and pop this wheel off, and I'm just gonna slide this one in under the fender just so you can really kind of get an idea of what things are gonna look like. So just give me a minute here and let's check this out. Well, that's about as good as we're going to get right now. What I've done here is I've removed the old wheel. I've actually lowered the car as low as it'll go to, and still allow me to put the wheel in place. Won't go back any further. I don't want to risk scratching anything. So it is still sticking out a lot further than it's supposed to. But at least you kind of get an idea of what things are going to look like here. And I gotta say, I think it's going to look really nice. The end goal here is we actually will have a chrome hubcap. You know, we'll just get a Smoothie hubcap to go on there. And but really, man, This is pretty nice. These wheels, they look awesome. One of the reasons we ended up going with this wheel is well, other than the fact that it just looks so nice, is Airkewld has said that these are now DOT approved, which is, I mean, there's thousands of wheels out there that probably aren't DOT approved, but it's worth a little bit of extra dough here to just make sure we've got something that we, have some idea that's going to be nice and safe. So, man, I'm really digging this. Again, it's got a nice tire, nice profile, really kind of an impressive tread, but that pales in comparison to how nice this wheel actually looks. So that's that's our latest purchase. I've got them. Pretty soon here we're going to be doing some chassis work and doing some fitting. So I wanted to make sure I had the wheels in hand so I can kind of get everything mocked up. But we figured now would be a good time to show you. But that's it. That's our unboxing for today. So anyway, I got nothing else. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until the next one, I'll see you around.